All right, so if you were with us around 6:20, you'd have heard all about the new project by Orville Baker, Sly and Robbie. It's a 10-track album called Kidz Reggae, and we'll get a sample shortly. But first, let's meet some of the faces behind the vocals. Oh, she starts to smile. All right, let me make sure I get this right. Beside me is Jayla. Don't. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, Jayla?
I'm fine, thank you. And how are you?
I am very well, thanks, and thanks for asking. How long have you been involved in this project? How many years?
5.
5 years?
Mm-hmm.
But you seem to be just about 5 now.
No, I'm not.
What's your role in the band? You're a singer? What you do?
I'm a singer.
Yeah? Everybody sings, by the way? Okay, so it makes sense me ask you what's your role. I thought you guys played instruments. You don't play any instruments?
No.
Are you enjoying this?
Yes.
Do you want to be just the biggest singer in life, or after a little while you're going to give this up?
After a while, I'll give this up.
What you want to be when you grow up?
As a teacher.
A teacher, all right. Fine, let me come beside you. And this is Zuri. Good morning, Zuri.
Good morning.
Zuri says she's tired. Where is Zuri? Zuri says, Zuri may agree with you. Me tired too. So you sing also, obviously. Oh, by the way, you have a, what you do, tenor, soprano, what them name? Or you just sing? It don't matter what you do?
I don't matter what I do.
You know what kind of voice you have?
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. So you're a lead singer, you're a background, you do what?
Lead.
Lead? All right, Zuri, not into anything with me this morning. Let me come down. Janice.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You were one of the original ones.
Yes, I was.
So you started at what age?
9.
And you're 10 now?
No.
Yeah?
No, 18.
You're 18?
Sure.
You look 18. All right, so why you wanted to do this? How you got involved?
Well, I got involved with a lot of other kids, and the experience was really great.
So they heard you singing, you just wanted to be a part of it, somebody called you.
They heard me,
you
and
crash. What you do?
they heard me from like a really young age. Uncle Ru was like, that girl, she has to be a part of this.
Okay. And this is what you want to do, or this
Yes,
is just
singing is my passion.
Oh, so this is what you're going to do?
Yes.
So you have your own album and all kind of thing?
For sure.
Who do you like as a singer?
Well, as a singer, I really admire Master Griffiths.
Okay.
And you have Chronix and a lot of
Okay.
others.
All right, where are you? Just come in, Aris. Yes, come in. Let me come beside, come in. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Who do you sing like? Whitney Houston? Who you sing like? When you sing, who you think you sound like?
I don't know.
You know? What they say you sound like? They say you sound really good though.
Yes.
You want to be a singer when you grow up?
Yes.
Nothing else?
No.
What school you go to now?
Halfway through primary.
What's your favorite subject?
Math.
Math. So you're a genius. So you don't want to be a mathematician?
No.
Okay. All right. But you're having fun doing this?
Yes.
All right. Great. Let me go to Ashirai. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So where did they find you, and how did they know that you could sing?
Well, my dance teacher is Uncle Rory's friend.
Okay.
And
They heard you singing.
yes,
Having fun?
a lot of fun.
Lots of fun?
Yes.
Why?
I love to sing.
Okay. What you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a singer and also a lawyer.
Which one do you think you'll do?
I'm not sure yet.
You'll be a singing lawyer. Oh, don't.
Yes.
All right, that sounds good. Let me get down there. And this is Olivia. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Sing something for me. Anything.
She's just a girl, but she's on fire.
That's your favorite song?
Yeah, one of my favorite songs.
Yeah, what is the overall favorite
I don't
song?
have an overall
You don't
favorite
have an
song.
overall?
No.
All right, give me another favorite one. Can't think of another one.
No.
What school do you go to?
I go to Halfway Tree Primary.
Oh, great. And you want to be a singer when you grow up?
Not really.
What you want to be?
A doctor and a prime minister.
Which one first? The doctor?
The doctor first.
And then you turn the prime minister?
Yes.
So after you turn the prime minister, you won't give up the doctoring?
No.
So you do want to be the two of them at the same time?
Yes.
I must ask you which party, but I won't get involved in that. Abrel.
Good morning.
Good morning, Abrel. How are you?
Fine.
And which school do you go to?
Halfway through primary.
So everybody go to halfway tree primary? Yes. Eh? All the little ones go to halfway tree primary. What are you going to do when you grow up?
I think I'm going to be a nurse.
A nurse. Not a singer.
No.
You're not going to be a singing nurse.
No.
But you're enjoying this though.
Yes.
All right. Great to meet you. Great to meet everyone. Zuri, you good? Zuri not into anything with anybody this morning. All right, so you heard the Kidz Reggae, and they're going to do something for us now, or we're going to go for a break first, or what? They're going to do something for us now. All right, here they are. Let me tell you again. So it's Jayla, Zuri, Janice, Kamain, Ashere, Olivia,